Let's turn to outrage in Kashmir now. Hundreds came out in Shopian to protest the CBI findings in the alleged drowning death of 2 women. A bandh was called across the valley to demand a judicial inquiry now. Mufti Islah on a day of more trouble in the valley.
In Shopian, people are out on the streets protesting against the CBI report which said the 2 local women, Nilofer and Asiya Jah, were not raped and murdered. They say the CBI was doing a cover-up job for the government.
The whole town takes it as the CBI has done a political job here. They have only endorsed what the government of India has told them to do so, and we don't take it. It's a blatant lie. We outrightly reject the probe.
We are going to lodge a pupils probe into the matter, and now our demand is that an international probe should be lodged into the matter.
And in Srinagar, 3 people were injured after clashes broke out between the police and the protesters in the Mysuma and Bharikadal areas. All of Kashmir remained shut down in support of the bandh called by the Shopian Consultative Committee. With the state government now on the defensive, saying the matter is still alive in the High Court, the opposition People's Democratic Party has raised the pitch.
I appeal, अपनी country की जो हमारी जो president of India, she is a woman. I appeal to her not as Mehbooba Mufti, the president of PDP, no. I appeal to her as a woman, as a mother of 2 daughters. I appeal to her, I appeal to the UPA chairperson, she is a woman.
The CBI findings into the Shopian deaths has not only stirred more emotions rather than working as a balm for the victim families seeking justice, but it has also put the state government in a bind. In Srinagar, Mufti Islah.